So now you have all the knowledge on how to become an innovative influencer. You have all the tactics, you have all the quote-unquote tricks, you have all the abilities to do it. You just finished this course. Now the most important thing that ever matters in life comes into play, and that's action. You gotta take action. Lights, camera, action. In Hollywood films, you can prepare the script, but if there's no filming, there's no movie. And that's this course too. You just finished this course for the very first time. This might be your second time, third time, fourth time. Have you done all the assignments that you have to do? Have you done all the assignments that you need to do? Have you been non-negotiable, non-debatable with yourself on things that you must accomplish, things you must do? Have you put your first event together? Are you nervous? Are you scared? And if the answer is yes, we're on the right track. But the only difference between winners and losers, the only difference between people who make money and don't make money are people who take action. You gotta go out there and force yourself to do these things. You gotta go out there and put your first event together and get uncomfortable and have no one show up, right? And have people say, this wasn't fun. It's something that we're gonna have to learn. But right now you have all the knowledge, you watch the course, you can do it on how to become an innovative influencer, but if we don't take action, it's not gonna go out there. So I'm excited to see you progress, I'm excited to see you grow on how to become an innovative influencer.